Hi, my name is Denise Dampierre and I'm with Home is Fun. And if you're a kid watching this video, it's probably because your parents said, hey, find out about this great family activity. So we believe that parents and kids are intelligent all the time, even though some of the time we just might not act like it. And it's usually about a sensitive issue. Parents look at it from one way and kids look at it from a different perspective. And it's like, we're not connecting. So what we do at Home is Fun is we have workshops that enable parents and kids to talk together. We do it through games and through activities, and it really helps connect. It's fun. You get to do it from the comfort of your home. It lasts 1/2 hour. It's really a memorable family activity, and you get to be with me. See you on Home is Fun.